Hi, this is Tim with Bepoz Casino point-of-sale systems, and I'm here to talk to you about Bepoz capabilities to be operated in tablets or on mobile devices. And Bepoz has many uses in this category, so it will take a little bit to tell you all the options. In fact, I don't know if we'll cover all the options today, so if you have questions, please call us. But Bepoz in your casino could be used, let's say, by a server tableside in the restaurant to be able to take an order and then at the end of the transaction be able to take the payment. That would be one environment. I could also operate in a quick service environment and use that same tablet for line busting and operate where I'm taking orders down the line and helping get those orders into the kitchen faster. I could also do line busting in a retail environment where I've got a tablet that has a barcode scanner integrated to it and scan items and queue up the transactions and either take payments or hold the transactions so that they could be paid at the cash register. Again, various options. Bepoz could be used for pop-up operations within your casino, and that could be an option. And also, finally, Bepoz has many mobile inventory options, and this could be within your food service and bar operations as well as any retail operations that you have. Bepoz tablets with integrated barcode scanners could be used for inventory counts, for creating transfers between revenue centers. It could be used for making requisitions from your warehouse. It could be used for creating purchase orders or receiving purchase orders. There are many different functions that Bepoz mobile units could be used for. If you have questions about how this could be used in your casino, we'd love to talk to you. You can either call the number at the top of your screen or click the link below.